Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to do like an ultimate clean with me today in today's video. I really needed to do a lot in the flat. I mean, I forgot to film every single thing, so I'll explain things that I didn't film, but I did film most of it, and yeah, there was a lot to do, so I just got straight into it. And the first thing I like to do when I clean is do the kitchen. I had a lot of washing up to do, and then what I done was get my flash. Oh my god, this is amazing. If you haven't tried this flash, you need it, and it just helps with like soap and scum, and it's just amazing. So I was just wiping down a lot of the surfaces with that, and then I was using the Astonished kitchen cleaner to wipe down all the sides with a minky. Honestly, it's so good and it smells amazing. It's just so clean and fresh. It's the best thing ever. After I have used the kitchen cleaner, I then go on to the antibacterial spray. This spray is honestly incredible. It comes in loads of different scents, and it's really like ideal for appliances on the side, and especially if you've got any mirrored sort of furniture. Honestly, it's incredible. It gets rid of all the marks completely, and it's so shiny. It's antibacterial. It's just amazing. So when the kitchen is all finished, I then like to wash my sort of sponges and my minkies and my cloths with just normal washing up, because I like to keep them super clean. I've then hoovered the kitchen, and then I'm moving on to the front room. To be fair, the front room wasn't too bad. It was just messy. It wasn't like the tidiest it's been. The first thing I do is put the shake and vac on the carpet, and I just leave it to do its thing. So I'll just leave it on the carpet, and then I move on to the sofa, make sure that's all completely tidy, and then I'm going to do the coffee table. I just use the antibacterial spray again on the coffee table just to make it all completely super shiny, super clean, and it just works so well. So yeah, I really like this product. If I could recommend one cleaning product, it would be the antibacterial spray, because it works on everything. It is so good. So when the sofa is all done, did you guys see Lottie? She's so cute. I'm then going to dust my TV unit, and then I'm going to hoover up the shake and vac. It is so satisfying hoovering it up, honestly, and it just leaves these lines, and I love hoover lines. It's just the best thing. I use this shark hoover. Mrs. Hinch actually has the same one in a different colour, and I couldn't recommend it enough. It is so good. I'll leave a link to it in the description box down below if you guys are wondering, because it's amazing. I'm then just going to use my 1001 spray. This is pet friendly, and it's just amazing. I love this spray. It's just a quick freshen up, especially if you've got guests coming round. Just quickly spray this on your carpet and everything will smell amazing. I have this little hack. I found it on I think it was Mrs. Hinch or Instagram, somewhere like that. I bought these bags from eBay, and then I just popped some Unstoppables in them, and then you can hang them on your doors. And sometimes I put them inside my drawers, like my underwear drawer or anything like that, and it just smells amazing and fresh and of washing. It's such a good idea. I mean, they're not the prettiest things, but they look cute. So yeah, I just put them on the door. And then while I am going to do my bedroom, I'm just popping some flash into the bathroom, because it needed a deep clean. Do you know when you're like, okay, I can leave you for about 20 minutes. So I just left it to do its thing in the sink, and yeah, before I done that, I just moved on to the bedroom. I swear changing bed sheets is like the bane of my life. I absolutely hate it. It's my worst job ever. I get so hot, but then it's the best feeling after, and then I'm just so excited to get into my bed sheets tonight. I love them. So yeah, these are from Dunelm, if you are wondering. I literally love them. All my bedding is from Dunelm, including the throw and the cushions and stuff. Yeah, that I pop on. There is a lot, but I like it like that. So yeah, don't mind me. I'm then going to move on to the bathroom, going back to it. As you would have noticed, I have changed clothes. By this point, I had been out for about 4 hours. Me and my mum went for lunch. It was actually really cute. And I went to the range. And you would see at the end, I actually got a new cushion for the sofa, so if you want to see my new cushion, wait till the end. So I'm just going to clean the bathroom. To be honest, there wasn't loads that needed to be done. I just bleached the toilet, completely cleaned it, I put Flash in the sink, and then I also cleaned the bath, which I didn't show you guys, but I just done what I did on camera. But yeah, I did do a lot more, but I didn't really show you guys on camera because I did do some before I left. I just needed it to be all clean and sparkly. Moving on to the beauty room, it does look a lot messier than it is because there's like clothes hung up on the rail, but that's for a haul that I need to film like as soon as possible, so it looks a bit messy, but I promise you it is tidier than it looks. If you guys have mirrored furniture, you will know that it is quite hard to stay on top of. It's a good thing because it makes you realise how dirty things actually get, but at the same time it is quite hard to maintain. It's lucky I work from home because if I didn't, I would literally hate it. But yeah, I do love my mirrored furniture. It looks lovely, but it is hard to maintain. At this point, my mum came round because we went for lunch, and she came round after, and she was like, "I'll help you clean." So she was like, had her little jobs that she'd done. It was so cute. We were like cleaning together, like when we lived together in the old times. I was like, this is so cute. So we were just dusting everything using the amazing antibacterial spray. It was then time to do the hallway and the bottom of the stairs. To be honest, this is such a simple job. I just hoovered everything and then popped the 1001 spray on it, and then I also popped an Unstoppables, I don't know if you can see it in a little bag at the bottom, just to make it smell nice when people walk in. Yeah, to be honest, this is quite an easy job. It's not that hard, but I hate the hallway, I hate it. I wish we could move so badly. I'm then going to pop one of these, I don't even know what they're called, Febreze things that you pop in your plug. I don't even know what they're called, but it makes your house smell amazing, so I highly recommend. It was the Lenore one, so it smelled of washing, and I really recommend it. It's actually really lovely. It was then time to put a wash on, which is all I do basically. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I did also put wax melts on, but I don't think I showed you guys. You guys know I love a wax melt. If you can see it on the coffee table, it's like lighting up. But yeah, this is the final result. That is my pillow in the middle that I got from the range. I love it so much. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, please do give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to come back on Thursday for my next video. I upload 3 times a week, and I would love for you guys to stay on board and subscribe. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed it, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!